This is a message from the Canary Islanders for Mrs. Routine and for Mr. Stress. For the inventor of queues, days without sun and stifling hot summers. For the demanding bosses and for all those who live a life full of stress. You have to come here. And here. You need to rest and recharge your batteries to enjoy the sun and the stars.
And back to the falls. The dust on the stones you took are still so
to rediscover your partner and listen to his or her stories.
Drift away, fall and sink, go deep, deep, you'll shine again. Barefoot walking, when the path was a dream. Nothing to satisfy, everything will shine. Shout and sing, let your mind drift away. Fall and sing, go deep, deep, you'll shine again. Shout and sing, let your mind drift away. Fall and sing, go deep, deep, you'll shine again. Listen to the call, won't leave you alone.
You need to come to the only place in the world where the temperature is perfect all year round. That's why we're telling you this. You need to come to the Canary Islands, the place with the best climate in the world, to make your life shine again.